I guess we're playing 99 nights and she give me a laser gun with infinite ammo. Yeah. Thank you. Wait. I'm just gonna frame you. Yay! Thank you for the gun though. So, how did you get that? Oh my god. Yep. Where's my point? Let's go! Thank you! Oh my god. I don't have other thing to eat, so I'm just gonna... Hey buddy, you're messing with the wrong guy. Yup. You mess with the wrong guy, bro. What no loot? There's no loot, bro. But I clean I up. Oh my. Oh. Fuck up. No, I'm not eating it no more. Oh, a leather body. Okay. I'm gonna give this to random. Where's Pluto 5? I'm coming to save you. Where are you? 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 That's 11. Where are you? 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 The hell? No! I think bro is just crap. Wait. What the heck are you doing? Oh, sweet berries. Kinda good. But where the heck is she? Wait. Teleporting to mothership. She must be where she at. I'm not gonna let her die. Not gonna let her die, bro. Nah, I don't care. We're about to... Nah, the best. The cat is walking up. Okay, that's good. Okay. As long as she's a bat. Never. So where is gonna go, bro? Hey. Hanging out. Yay! Yeah, you need to. You teleported to the mothership. sheep, you must be real. Hey, hey. Let's go. We don't care about the cat. Yo, wait. Wait, did they grow? When okay, let's go.
Sa mga sila, kailangan lumilipas ng baliw at pagbalik kaya makalimutan ko dahil siguro nito, parang kamay lang, may kailangan para maging ibang buhay mula sa tubig natin. Yung kabalo ka.
Where's the big guy? Big guy.
Ang kanilang tugon. Hindi ba kayo nagkakaroon ng dapat sa pagbubuhat ng nagagalit?
No. Okay. Let's see. What the hell? Then where you been? Nah. Ain't broke. Hey. You pick on the wrong guy to fight. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm a really low head. I'm gonna help you! Okay, where's the guy? Hey. I wanna go. Let's see! Nah, let's prepare lah. Yeah? Let's prepare. Hey! No. The fuck? Didn't even speak nothing. I'm gonna beat it. Okay, I'm gonna open this. What the I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. I'm dead. Whoa, where am I, bro? What the heck? Am I an infinite void? No. Wait. You're about to hit. You're about to die. Oh no! Go fast. Go fast, please. Go fast. Okay, why did you, bro? Let's go. Okay. Can we take a picture, bro? Hey, let's take a screenshot. 4 TikTok! Damn, how to you? Oh my god! What? Day!
Ang pangalan ko?
I don't know. Okay! I think I need to kill some rats. because I'm going low on food. So let's kill. What? How did she die, bro? How did she die? How did she die?
Yung pinakamasarap na luto.
Okay, guys. Do you guys any have bandage? Okay. She has been revived. Okay, let's go. Video is gonna end like in 10 seconds. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. For more content.